database management system mini project. Guys, this is the agriculture management system that we are going to discuss throughout this video. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make this beautiful website. So without further ado, let's get started. So now, to make sure that our project runs successfully, we have so many steps that need to be implemented. I have written all that down in the blog I have written. That link is available in the description. Just go to that link, wait for it to load. We have used first we need to download the XAMPP server. I have provided the link here. You can just click here and it will directly download. As you can see, it will start download. I'll cancel this, but you just download this XAMPP server. After you download this, install that to your Windows by clicking next and finish that setup. Make sure that when you type XAMPP on your search bar, its control panel is available. After that, now you have to download the project source code. This link also is available in the video description also. Just to open this link. When you open this link, something just like this appears. Wait for it to load. Now here there will be an option called download all right here. Yeah, you just click the download all button. It will zip a file and it will download. Wait for that to download. Downloading takes some time. I'll just fast forward this video, so I will come after it's downloaded. So now it has already been downloaded. Now after it is downloaded, you just right click, show more options. It's only in Windows 11. Now in Windows 10 you can just right click and this will appear. Just click extract here. It will take some time and it will be extracted. After it's extracted, you just need to copy this file and you go to local disk C. I'll show from step by step. Wait, this PC here, the local disk C is there. In this local disk C, you will find a folder named XAMPP. As you can see here, open the XAMPP folder. In the XAMPP folder, there is a folder called htdocs. As you can see here, htdocs, this is a very important step. Open htdocs. After you open htdocs, right click and you paste this here. It will take some time and it has been pasted now successfully. Now just close this window, go to your control panel, search for XAMPP server, XAMPP control panel. Now open this XAMPP control panel. After you have opened this XAMPP control panel, click on the Apache and you just click on start. It has been started and now there is another called MySQL. Start that MySQL also and you just click here admin. It will load you. The PHP myadmin will be loaded. Now here what you need to do is just click this new database. Just click here. You need to give the name that you have given to the folder also. So I will go to local disk C, XAMPP, and where is it? htdocs. Yeah, it's right here. htdocs. You just need to copy the same name. You copy this name only. After that you have to put that name only here because that is very important, and just click create. Agriculture will be created. After it is created, now click here import. Here what we are doing is that we are importing the data. So now here click just choose file. In the choose file section, you just go to local disk C again, XAMPP, htdocs, agriculture. Inside the agriculture, there is an SQL source file. As you can see, agriculture SQL source file. Click here and click open. Now come down and press go button. Now it will take some time and as you can see here, all the queries will be updated and all the data will be inserted inside our database. As you can see here. Now let's see if it is working or not. New tab, localhost / agriculture, AGRCULGTURE. Okay, agriculture. Just click enter. As you can see, our project has been successfully implemented in our system. And now let's discuss about the working and agriculture management system. Agriculture management system uses PHP as the database and HTML, CSS, JavaScript as the front-end frameworks, and uses the XAMPP server as its backend. So now we are going to discuss how this website actually works. So first you have to register here. You are a farmer or a seller, you just have to register here. After you just enter the credentials, you just click submit and it will be uploaded to the database. After you are registered, you just click the login and you can just log in by clicking the login button. As you can see, I am already logged in. You can click on the my profile also. It will show you your profile information. As you can see, you can change your password, edit your profile, or you can even upload a product. So now we are going to come inside the digital market. This is where our main thing is. You can even search for the products. As you can see here, you can search for like fruit and click go, so only fruits will appear. These photos are not rendering. It's okay, it's not a problem. It happens sometimes. After you can see, you can click on digital market. In our products, you can see all the products that have been that are available in the market. So if you want to insert a new product here, click on your profile and click on upload product. When you click on upload product, you just need to choose a file that is like the image or I'm going to choose another orange, but here I'm going to do the big orange. We are going to give a title for this and we are going to choose the category, that is its fruit, and we are going to price let's say we are going to price this 200 rupees. So just click submit. After you click submit, if you can go to our product section, as you can see our fruit has been here. If you click on that particular fruit, it will load a detailed description and it also shows the product owner, that is Isaac. So you can just click add to cart, or you can just provide review. How is this? Wow, this is great. I'll make sure this is working. Wow, this is great. Okay, just click rating. Let's give 5 star. Just click submit. As you can see, wow, this is great. You can even see the product reviews. So if I want to buy this, just click the buy now button. After you click the buy now button, you are going to just going to provide a random email address, and you are going to provide your pin code and your address. So let's provide a valid address, and then you have to click confirm order. As you can see, successful. Thank you for shopping with us. Now click OK button. Now, so these are the types of things that you can perform here, and another additional option is that blog. You can even write a blog. You just need to provide a title. I'm going to give is this working, as we are checking if it is working or not, and I'll just click submit. As you can see here, it gets updated. That means our blog is also successfully working. Now when we click the home button, this automatically loads, and as you can see, these are the main features of the agriculture management system. And in many ways you can even moderate these files, like change the text or the color or the styles. What you need to do is just open your file, and when you open your file in the XAMPP folder which you have stored in the htdocs, wait, I'll show here in the htdocs. You just have to click the agriculture, right click on that, show more options. As you can see, you can open this with your code editor. Like my code editor is VS Code. So the option is open with C code. But if you have an Eclipse or stuff like that, you just need to open this with that, and you can just change this text or colors and add additional features to this management system. So that's all for now, guys. I'm going to be uploading more projects in the near future, so subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Okay guys, take care, bye.